to talk about the three types of minor scales there are. There's natural, melodic, and harmonic. Okay, the natural sounds like a very normal minor scale. The melodic sounds more like a minor scale with a major scale attached to it. And then the harmonic minor scale sounds more Arabian. So just a side note on the names, we've got natural, melodic, and harmonic that I'm going to mention a few times. But the natural minor is basically the same as the major scale, but you just start on a different note. So that's one aspect, and the natural minor scale doesn't have like a strong leading note in the melody, so that it's a bit more generic and a bit more flat. With the melodic, you've got that slight major, so the reason it's called melodic is because it's easier to make melodies with it, in simplest terms, and the harmonic is easier to make harmonies with, play chords with, etc. So that's the reason you've got those three different distinctions. Then back to the video. Let me show you what I mean. So when you do it in A, this is the natural. Okay. So it sounds beautiful. Then we've got the melodic, which sounds like this. Okay. One note different from the major scale. It's just that note. So it sounds melodic, I guess, and then you've got the harmonic, which is sounds more Arabian. So let's go through each one, and we're going to be doing on the 5th fret, and we're just going to do one octave today, just to keep it simple so you can really see the notes that you need to play. And then in future videos we can go through the other octaves of the scale. So let's go through the natural minor, because that's the most common. We're going to start on the 5th fret. Okay, we can learn it down here, but I always think it's really beneficial to play it up the neck, mainly because if you suddenly need to play a G minor, you can move it down 2 frets and suddenly you've got the pattern down already, you're just moving it around. C minor on the 8th fret. So once you get the pattern, you can just shuffle it around. So really, really helpful. So it's 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7 across those 3 strings. Now I normally use my first finger on the 5th, so that's my first fret, if you like, of the first finger. Then on the 7th I use my ring finger, and then on the 8th I use my pinky. So that's those 2 strings. We're going to go 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7. Okay, and then back down. 7, 5, 8, 7, 5, 8, 7, 5. So if you want to pause the video, have a go at practicing that, and then we're going to go on to the melodic next. So the melodic starts on the 5th fret as well, so it's 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, and then you can go back 1 to 4 on the next string, on the D string, 4, 6, 7. Okay, so a little bit, the pattern's a little bit crooked, if you like. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, and then 4, 6, 7. So have a pause on that and practice that up and down, and just have a little go, and then let's do the harmonic next. So feel free to pause the video. So the last one is very similar to the natural, it's just one note different as well. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, and then 6, 7. So again I use my first finger on the 5, ring finger on the 7, little finger on the 8, same on the next string, and then I use my 2nd and 3rd for the next one. Okay, so that's your 3 types of minor scales in 1 octave, and we're doing it from the A. Okay, so have a go at going up and down those just to get the notes under your fingers, and then in future videos we'll do the next octave. Hopefully that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.